Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at... After some fun Google GPSing, we ended up on Sugarloaf. We had to come up through the backside instead of doing the Everly Forest Service Road. We went on to Ulil Lake or something like that, but we made it. The All Trails map takes you to a private dude's residence. I don't know what the heck that is about, but we're at the entrance now, and this is where we're heading. And look at the way the roots have been burned out of there. Like, this is just eerie now. Probably a good place to go for mushrooms in the spring. Yeah, it's kind of neat how nature moves and changes and is completely dynamic, even though we think everything is static. I think I'm gonna sneak ahead of the fellow campers and then find a spot to for a minute for them to catch up, but it's just fields of fireweed in here. So I took a side detour that no one else took. Pretty sure we've gone this way before. But it doesn't look well traveled at this point. I might need to sneak up the other way, but I remember having done this, so I don't know what path they're taking. Look how beautiful all that is, though. I was seeing markers down there. But I'm not seeing markers up here. So I am thoroughly off trail. Quarry's up there. Yeah, look at that. of the lake. So that's Vernonside. That's head of the lake area. So this is Okanagan Lake, flowing all the way through there and ending over there. A bit past that was the Rose Swanson mountain we did. I want to say Swan, but it's Otter Lake. It's Otter Lake is out there. Swan Lake will be there, but on the other side of the lake here. And we're just on a bit of a switchback, and we'll be heading up this little thing. Once we're really close to the peak, the mountain tends to flatten right out, which isn't how it looks from down below, but it does. So it's kind of interesting. Oh, made it. Now, yeah, this is some pretty, well, it looks technically like the trail goes up and through here, but someone's done a bit of a switchback to get us up above this tree and around it. Now, as fun as that looks like that is there, I think I'm going to try sneaking up here like some others have done. It's all loose rock though, so we'll see what happens. But I think if you're short enough, you're probably going to want to actually try to sneak under the tree instead of coming up this kind of garbage. Because yeah, that was a little sketchy looking. Oh, there. I think I'm okay now. Ouch. Okay, I'm just gonna watch for the others to see how they navigate it. Okay, we're past that treacherous bit. We're just gonna cruise it the rest of the way to the peak, I hope. There is an alternative way to come down to beat that, which I think would be a good idea. Can't spend all day up here. I think there's one rough bit coming down the other side of this thing. But other than that, it's any worse than the other side for sure. Oh, that's beautiful though. And here you see the other side where the canyon comes in. Kind of got to be careful because there's trenches in here where the roots have been burnt out. And it's easy to lose the trail a little. Because of all the disaster that's happened in here. Some of the trees that were hanging on for dear life have survived getting burnt because of their weird precarious spots. Here's another viewpoint for you. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all that. You should get a picture with this little rock overhang in there. Yep. How this tree burnt out. Some interesting bird song. Rapid fire tweeting. This is just crazy up here. Yeah, this is hard to tell where to go here. Just got to keep our eyes open for the little white diamonds. If they haven't burnt off. Don't want to miss a potential viewpoint. Look way up. Wow, hey. Where you going? Hey. Where you going? None of this rock is particularly stable. I think it's a short jaunt until I get onto solid ground again. Oh, wow. It feels familiar, but a lot of these peaks I tend to, well, no, I scout around and do different paths and stuff like that. So, yeah, it does look like it kind of, no, there it is. Yep. I'm back on it now. It definitely feels a little human engineered. Still not seeing any diamond markers. Yeah. Eeny, meeny, miny, mosey. Is this going to be a good idea? Because it's a big burnt out root stump right there. See this guy right here? That might be our trail marker.
Yeah, that's what I was seeing. Sure. Yeah, I think it is.
So I think we're on the right trail. It's just burned right up. Okay, now we just gotta kind of find where the path goes from here. But yeah, none of this is legitimately ideal at all. So we're just gonna have to be uber careful in here. I think once we're out of this godforsaken section, we should be relatively okay. Oh, oh, oh. Yep. on the trail we came up on. Heading back down. We're at that rock overlook. In terms of trail navigation, this will be the easy bit. So yeah, I won't have trail metrics. It's supposed to be 5 kilometers, so I guess that means like 6 or 7 on my device. But yeah, that was a really good hike up until the end there. I would definitely recommend coming the other side, the way we came up. That would probably be a lot safer and more navigable. At least until someone comes up here and fixes all of this. But who knows if that's even a thing. Ooh, that felt like Dirty Dancing. Ooh, don't chirp at me when I'm not at level ground. Yeah, this little section. Once we're through this, it's all as easy as eating pancakes. Oh. Smell that grass. Well, looks like we're through the danger zones. And out of the thicket. I no longer have to be holding on to a mutt butt. I think I'll weigh anchor here. Only a little dirty. It'll come right out. What a nice hike. Now that we can officially wipe the trauma of the backside of the trail out of our memories. I'm suppressing right now. Yeah, no, when the first time I took that back end around, it was like super easy and nice. Both times. Actually, I don't know if we looped around the first time. I think we might have went straight there and back, but I feel like there were other loops too to be had.
Yeah, I don't know how the other guy made it around that backside so quickly.
Yeah. He was probably like wired into his old trails too.
Well, times like that. Times like that, a lot of happen because all kind of trail markers. Trail markers were all melted, the ones that were still up were like this big.
Yeah, it took us a while to actually figure out what those were trail markers. And the Sugarloaf sign is gone. There's like an S left, an S and a part of a U.
Yeah, feel on too much time.
The devil you know is better than the devil you know.
Follow that for trails too.
Yep. Hey, I knew that trail at one point. Bye.